If you have hit a wall with trying to be a creator, chasing guru after guru, trend after trend, algorithm with no success, save this video. It took us 18 months to learn Benable, and we're going to teach you all the tricks that we've learned in this video. Today, Candice and I are talking about everything that we learned on the platform Benable so that you won't hit a brick wall and get creative burnout. So I started my creator journey on Benable in October of 2023, and I remember it just like it was yesterday. I decided to jump into the world of content creation after sitting in a couple lives, seeing the gurus after gurus talking about they make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month. Of course, who would not want a piece of that change, right? But what they don't tell you is about the cadence of following trends, posting 20 times a day, or burning out after creating so much content. I'm Benable, where all I had to do was be myself and create shareable lists that I create every day and actually thrive. It was a gold mine for me. So with Benable, all you have to do is create lists on things that you use daily or service professionals that you recommend to your friends and family, and you can earn a kickback, which is considered commission, also known as affiliate marketing. One thing about becoming a creative was the influencer stigma. And honestly speaking, I never wanted to be considered an influencer. So the biggest pitch with Benable is that you can show up as truly you. No follower count needed, no trend to follow, no certain aesthetic to put on, and you could thrive on the platform. And I'm here to tell you that that is 100%. There is nothing that I have to show up as with all white aesthetic living room or the perfect dream kitchen. And I have curated list over list, providing me a following that actually listens to my recommendations. Now, with Benable, it is a low lift, no pressure plan that you are simply creating shareable lists, as I said before, anything from your coffee must-haves to your gym day routine or even your kitchen gadgets must-haves. I started my first list under Ninja Kitchen Gadgets, and I turned my first commission in 3 days. Again, Benable is a social media platform, and your shareable list can become optimized. Benable tells you exactly what you need to do to get your list optimized. An optimized list means that that list lives on Google, which brings new traffic without you having to do any of the legwork, which gives you a fresh audience and more chances to turn a commission. Placing new eyes on your list with no effort on your end. What has your experience been like, Zee?
So mine was slightly different, but very similar. I could echo just about everything you said as far as the effort to put into Benable without it just being seamless, without having to put too much brain work into chasing virality or chasing visibility per se. And so for me, I jumped many months after you had introduced it to me because I was a little apprehensive. So for those people who were apprehensive, which a lot of people can be skeptical, whatever word you want to call it, essentially, I took at least 3 to 6 months to hop on because I didn't see the value in it at first, because I thought it originally was an influencer-based platform, something similar to the ones that are already out there that I will dare not mention because we're all talking Benable right now. So with that, I want to say, with the intent behind creating lists, it took me under 30 days, I'll say that, to be fair, under 30 days to receive my first commission, and then it's just been ongoing. Of course, it has not been consistent, which is giving a real time perspective on how often you get commission, but it has been seasonal, quarterly. Found very helpful with Benable is that with Jessica mentioning about it being on index to Google, you also have the frequent trending tab to give an indicator that your list is optimized and in front of everybody's eyes as one of the top lists for that time period. Definitely no harm, no foul in adding the same recommendation in different lists. So you don't want to have a whole bunch of things in one list that is of the same item, that is, but you do want to be fair and genuine with what you recommend. Also, one thing that I also appreciate from Benable is that you once you engage, they constantly allow opportunities for growth. I will say it like that. Their algorithm interests may vary over time, but I've known the more you engage, the more attention you basically get without having to put in too much work, because you're being genuine in your engagement and commenting and liking and sharing other things with people. Lastly, I just want to reiterate about the Google indexing. More eyes outside of the platform itself, which is a bonus for users. So creators like Jess and I, we find it very useful without having to put in a lot of work with our main interest to be on the platform.
Let's wrap this up nice and pretty. If you're looking to start your creative journey this year and don't want to fight with the algorithm, post 20 times a day, dance to trending songs, or wear influencer masks, Benable is going to be your stepping stone not only into content creation, but into affiliate marketing as well. Keep in mind, you're going to want to create lists that are relatable and that you can back up. Here, we don't chase trends or virality. We give relatable solutions to their problems. And of course, if you have any questions, leave them for us in the comment below. If you missed any of our previous sessions or want to skip the wait and join Benable today, check out our playlist here. And of course, we'll see you in the next one. Okay, love you. Bye.
Yeah.
Okay.